Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a partition on your hard drive in Windows 10 and 11. So let's get started. First, in the search bar, let's type File Explorer. Click on it, and on the left hand side, look for this PC. Now here I can see my C drive, but there are no other partitions or drives. So we'll be creating our partition in this drive. Right click on the Start icon and select Disk Management. The disk management window will appear. Here, you should see your system reserved, C drive, and healthy recovery partition. Now, it's important to leave these as they are. Just select the C drive, right click on it, and click on Shrink Volume. When you click Shrink Volume, it may take a few minutes, so don't worry if it seems stuck. If you want to create 10 gigabyte partition, then enter 10,240 megabyte, since 1 gigabyte equals 1024 megabyte, and then click on Shrink. Now that we have unallocated space, we need to format it. Right click on it and click on New Simple Volume, and a wizard will open. Click Next without changing anything, then choose a drive letter. I'll select D and click Next again. When prompted to format, select NTFS instead of FAT32. Now, NTFS is preferred because it supports larger files and offers better security features. Leave the default settings and click Next, then Finish. Now, let's check if the new drive is created. Let's close this window and go back to the File Explorer. Click on this PC, and there you go. You can see the new drive here. Now, if you ever needed to delete a partition, you can do that too. Just go back to the disk management by right-clicking on the Windows icon and select Disk Management. Right-click on the new partition and select Delete Volume. Confirm the action, and the space will return to unallocated. You can then choose to extend the C drive back into the unallocated space by right-clicking on the C drive and select Extend Volume, and just follow the on-screen steps to complete the process. And that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.